I'm gonna show you this recipe backward. I've already got this pasta, this gnocchi and vegetables in a pan with this amazing block of all plant-based feta cheese. I've had it in the oven a little bit. I just wanted to pull you out and show you. We're gonna put it back in the oven and finish baking it. I'm gonna show you in a minute how amazing it is. Obviously, being Sicilian, third generation restaurateur, I love pasta, and one of my favorite pastas is gnocchi. It's not actually a pasta, it's actually potato, which is cool. Gnocchi is actually gluten-free. For those of you that are looking for a gluten-free option, this is a great recipe. One of my favorites. I did this years ago and I've been kind of tweaking it ever since. Gnocchi, they're these nice little pillowy potato balls, basically. They're little dough, potato dough. It is all gluten-free. Really simple too, it cooks really fast. You boil this in some water for about 2 to 3 minutes, that's it. So what I do is I take some vegetables, whatever vegetables you like, whatever's in season. I love asparagus, I love mushrooms, I love garlic, onions. Saute that down in the pan. Cook your gnocchi, I mix it together, and then I found years ago a Romesco sauce. And if you're not familiar with Romesco sauce, it's based from a Spanish-based sauce. It's got a lot of really fiery, roasted, amazing flavors. Roasted red pepper, fire roasted tomatoes, almonds. Almonds add a really nice, nutty, cool texture to it. Olive oil, I use a little sun-dried tomato as well. You can cook that in the pasta as well. A little sherry vinegar, great richness, great flavor. And then some seasonings. We're gonna blend that up in a food processor, that sauce. It's really simple to make and it's super, super fast. We're gonna mix it all together. And then what I do is I take that block of feta and I bake it in the oven with the pasta, and it should be just about done now. I'm gonna show you. You get this delicious, rich, creamy feta cheese and pasta. Look at that with the gnocchi. We're gonna mix that all together. Look how creamy and delicious that is. Oh, I love the little fire, the little glazing, the little caramelization that happens when you bake this in the oven too. All adds to a really nice, rich, amazing texture. And again, you can use whatever vegetables you want. If you love asparagus, if you love broccoli, it does not matter. Now that that's all mixed together, I'm gonna get my bowl, I'm gonna plate it up. That feta cheese, you're not gonna believe how much this tastes just like feta cheese. If you love cheese like I do but can't eat it, or you're trying not to eat it, there are some really great options out there, and this is one of my favorites. Look at that. Oh, I wish you could smell that, how rich that is and amazing. And then I've got my plant-based Parmesan again. Again, you can never have enough cheese. Look at that. All plant-based, vegan, gnocchi with sauteed vegetables in a delicious, rich Romesco sauce. And remember, for those of you that know, plant-based is the way to go.